Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to disable internal keyboard of any laptop. This is my internal keyboard which I have already disabled, and this is my external keyboard which I am using. In this video I will tell you a very simple way to disable and enable internal keyboard without installing any software. So watch this video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, first of all, if you have plugged in external keyboard in your laptop, just unplug it, then right click on this Windows icon and go to device manager. On this device manager page, you have to find keyboard option. This is keyboard, expand it. Inside keyboard option, you will get keyboard driver called standard 101/102 key or Microsoft Natural PS2 keyboard. You have to remember PS2 keyboard. Right click on it, then click on update driver. This interface will open. On this page, you have to click on second option, browse my computer for driver software, and on this page you have to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and this interface will open. On this page you have to uncheck this box. Once you uncheck this box, you will get more options here. From this list, you have to choose any one, random one you can choose, then click on next, click on yes, and then click on close. It will ask to restart your computer. So you have to click on yes. And finally, internal keyboard is disabled. Now you can plug in your external keyboard. As you can see, my internal keyboard is not working. Now I am using external keyboard. If you want to enable your internal keyboard again, then again you have to right click on this Windows icon and go to device manager. On this device manager, again you have to go inside keyboard and right click on keyboard driver which you selected while disabling your keyboard, right? Right click on it and click on update driver. This interface will open, but this time you have to click on first option, search automatically for updated driver software. Then click on close and click on yes. It will ask to restart. Just restart your computer and your internal keyboard will be enabled. So this is how you can disable and enable your internal keyboard. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.